happy birthday. I hope you have the best birthday in the world.
And for the finale, I think we need a birthday song.
Happy 70th birthday, happy 70th birthday, happy 70th birthday, and I hope you have the best birthday ever!
And who's this for?
Grandpa.
You say, happy birthday, Grandpa. I love you.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. I love you, and look at this necklace.
And give him a big kiss.
Can I have a look?